iPhone dictation or voice-to-text not working. This video shows you how to fix it quickly. Method 1. Go to Settings. Turn off Bluetooth. Method 2. Go to General. Keyboard. Scroll down. Enable dictation and set the dictation language. Method 3. Turn on Siri. Method 4. Follow the on-screen instruction to restart your iPhone. Method 5. Head for Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, Intelligence and Siri. Allow Siri and dictation. Method 6. Go to General, Software Update. Install now if there is an available update. Method 7. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down, find Microphone, check microphone requests. Method 8. Go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Method 9. Go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings to factory reset. Method 10. Resort to a tool like MagFone iOS System Recovery to fix deep system glitches. Download and install MagFone on your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Launch MagFone. Click iOS System Repair. Start. Choose Standard Repair. Your device will be detected automatically. Select a feasible firmware and download. After successful download, click Start Standard Repair. Wait for the program fix your iPhone dictation not working. Click Done to finish.